Hi, this is Team O, and basically what we've been doing is trying to help children learn facial expressions. So what our key mission is we're aimed at children 3 to 5, so we're aimed at that early intervention area. So really trying to get in very young to help the children learn what smiles are, what sadness is, and also capture some metadata there to provide feedback back. What we're doing that's a little bit different is this is a proven method within flashcards. So what we're trying to take is a proven method in the flashcards and bring it into the immersive world of the new educational immersive technologies through sensory. The main technologies that we've been using is the Kinect SDK. We've got HTML, CSS and JS for our layouts. We're using Azure to kind of capture that data and also enable parents and the therapists to report back to that. We're using a simple motion API which enables the audio file interpretation for the emotional feedback for the therapist. And we've also created the initial prototype as a desktop application, but can also become an Xbox Live application and a Windows UI Metro. And with that, I'd like to pass it over to Kelsey to show the demo.
Yeah, careful with the speaker, Kelsey. Just turn that down a little. Hang on. Yeah, that's better.
So I'm just going to start off showing the first level. So we're using Kinect, so let's go and start our game. And then we just have one category, emotions. And so you can see.
Let's play again.
So I got it wrong, so just tell me to play again. And happy
That's
is correct.
great.
She says that's great. So we have 3 different levels here. So we're trying to teach emotions based on this kind of like flashcard model. The first level is just recognizing emotions. So can you recognize emotions and can you match them? So that would be the first stage. And then if you
Let's
can
play again. How am I feeling?
happy.
That's great.
So then the next one is voice. So can you recognize them and then can you communicate that? So we're using Kinect, and I'll just mention back on the first one, if the motion is too hard for a 3 to 5-year-old, you can also just click through it. And then the second is obviously voice, so can you recognize and then communicate it. The third is a little bit.
Can you show a surprised face?
So the third is the most advanced one, and this is actually kind of where innovation is, because right now, flashcards, someone might be holding a flashcard up to me, and they might be saying, make a sad face. And I might think that I'm making a sad face, but I'm not, and I don't understand that. Or I might not even understand that I did or why I got it right. So by seeing what the task is and the surprise face next to me, and then being able to see my face next to it, I'm understanding when I'm getting it wrong and when I'm getting it right. I opened my mouth too much in that. But it was looking for me to open my mouth is kind of the trigger that we made. I should have stepped after that. So that's our demo of the 3 different steps. And I also want to touch on that. So those are the 3 stages: recognizing, communicating, and then being able to express emotions. In that, if you notice, that was Amy's voice recording it. So part of it, but it actually works.
Maybe you can just demo this stage for them.
Oh, should I? Okay.
Yeah, don't you just demo the level 3 stage.
So while it's loading, I'll stand back here. So there's also a level of customization. So Amy's voice, okay, great. Amy's voice was in it going through. So by having Amy recording the voice in the task, Amy recording the task not only makes the child feel more comfortable because the child recognizes the voice, but also you're able to take that task outside of the game environment. So if I hear my mom's voice saying, show me your smiling face, then I can take that outside of the environment of the game, and in the real world when my mom says that same task, show me your smiling face, I'm going to know what to do. So we have a platform behind it, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it.
So very fast, everything that has been done here is recorded, and we'll upload it to our server on Azure. And this basically is so this is the website. So you can see some customization here. For example, we have the favorite video for play. We have the pictures from his session. If we go to Kelsey's session, we also have this, and we have analytics on everything that has been going on here. On the voice, this is live. and you have all the different emotions there.
Good job. Thank you.
Questions?
Yeah, so I was just gonna, actually, it's just more of a comment. You know, I think the, like for the ages 3 to 5, I think the third scenario is very, very good. I think because they, you know, they don't know how to read that maybe, or maybe they do, we don't know. You know, every kid is different, right? But I like the third scenario, and I really like the analytics because for the parent wants to know what's going on when you know, when the kid is doing whatever they're doing with Kinect. So
Yes.
I think the analytics is a brilliant idea. This is really cool. I'd love to see this.
Great.
How would you merge this into something like what Karen was talking about on Friday, where Karen would like to have a story for her son? How would you take something like this and move that into a story scenario?
That's a great
So
question.
what,
So I mean, what we could build in there, what we would build
what
in
we
there.
have, like,
We already have them.
You already have it. Oh, you have that. Go ahead.
So the backend, basically, the app that you've seen, we can let the parents edit it. So there's an middle panel. We didn't have the time to show it, but that's where you can choose which video clips. You can put it there. There was Ming Ming for Kelsey because she's also a fan of that. And we can add the voice. For example, the voice for the prompts was Amy's voice. And through the panel, it's easy to upload the file or to choose the video channel that you want to use as the reward system or as the voice in the app.
and what we've done is we've actually created a full workflow for how the application is supposed to work, as well as some more detailed business kind of information behind that. And at the beginning of each emotion, what we're showing is video that basically shows which can be your video or the Ming Ming video or something introducing that story.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, guys.
They call it.